The job market is changing rapidly, and that's why it is going to be very difficult to get your dream job. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips and tricks which you can use to get your dream job in. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the tip number 1 would be get a referral. One of the most effective ways of getting your dream job going to be through referral. A referral can help you bypass the resume screening process and get the interview call faster. According to a study by LinkedIn, candidates who are referred by someone they know are 4 times more likely to get hired than those who apply online. So the most important question here is, how do you actually get a referral? So the answer is through proper networking. Networking is the process of building and maintaining relationship with people who can help you with your career goals. Networking can help you get referrals, recommendation, insights and opportunities that you might never know about. You can use LinkedIn for connecting with people who are already working in industry or company which you are targeting. I have seen so many people making this mistake where they randomly message someone and ask them, can you refer me? Chances are you might get a referral, but most of the time you are going to get no response from them. So how and what you can do? Let me explain it by giving you an example. Let's suppose you have a school friend who is not in touch with you for so long, and suddenly one day he will message you and ask for a favor, and you have your best friend with whom you share a good relationship. Now if both of them ask you for a favor, would you put same amount of effort in helping both of them? If you answer me honestly, I know the answer would be no. That's why it is very important. Don't ask for a referral immediately. First, connect with people, engage with their content, build a relationship, and when the time comes, ask for a favor, and I'm sure it will increase the chances of getting a referral from them. For example, many of my subscribers regularly comment on my videos, so I know them by their name. And if they will ask me for a favor, I'm going to put more effort for them as compared to other viewers who are watching my videos, but I'm not familiar with their names. So it is very important that you are engaging with the people, so that will build a relationship and increase your chances of getting referral from them. Moving on to tip number 2, invest in your communication skills. Communication skills are essential for any job, especially in this digital age. You need to be able to express yourself clearly, concisely, and confidently, both verbally and in writing. You need to also work on your listening skills and ask relevant questions whenever you get a chance. So how do you improve your communication skills? Well, you need to practice. You can read books, articles, blogs, or you can even listen to podcasts. You can practice writing emails, reports, or even blogs. And with time, you will see your communication skills are improving. Okay, great. Now let's move on to our tip number 3, showcase your soft skills. So what actually is a soft skill? Soft skills are personal attributes that enable you to interact effectively with others, such as teamwork, problem solving, creativity, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Soft skills are becoming more and more important in the workplace as they can help you cope with change. So how do you showcase your soft skills? Well, you need to demonstrate them. Use examples from your previous or current work, education, or personal projects to show how you use your soft skills to achieve a goal or overcome a challenge or make a difference in the project you are assigned to. Moving on, now let's talk about our tip number 4, improve your interview skills. Now what do I mean by interview skills? Interview skills are the skills that enable you to perform well in an interview and convince the interviewer that you are the best candidate for this job. So how do you improve your interview skills? Well, you need to practice, and for that you can also participate in mock interviews. On this channel, I have conducted so many mock interviews which have helped the candidates in securing their dream job when they went for actual interview. So if you are also interested in conducting a mock interview with me, you can DM me on Instagram. Okay, great. Now let's talk about our tip number 5, which will help you get your dream job in. So our tip number 5 is keep learning and growing. Learning and growing are the keys of staying relevant and competitive in the job market. Learning and growing are the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, and abilities that can help you with your current or future career goals. Learning and growing can also help you discover new interests, passion, or even opportunities. So make sure you are not stopping learning even if you are already got your dream job. So I hope if you use these 5 tips and tricks, it will help you get your dream job. If you got any value from this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with another video.